Yo, what is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have a new restoration video for you guys, but it's going to be different from the videos that we have done before. Today I'm going to be introducing to you guys a new series on the channel called Quick Fix, and you guys are probably wondering what that is. With the type of restorations I get in, not every single project is going to be a big project such as a midsole swap or a reglue. A lot of the smaller projects do come in as well, consisting of midsole whitenings or deep cleans. With the restoration videos, I tend to post you guys the bigger projects, but I leave out the smaller projects. This is where Quick Fix comes in. And with Quick Fix, I'm able to showcase to you guys the smaller projects that I get in. So the regular restoration videos and the Quick Fix videos are going to be very similar, but the Quick Fix videos are probably going to be half the duration, so they're going to be about 5 to 6 minutes. Just because with the smaller process, these processes aren't as in-depth, there's not that much to do. It's just a little bit of a showcase of the things I'm doing, such as midsole whitening or cleaning suede. Even though the video duration is cut in half, the quality is not. I'm always going to be bringing quality content for you guys. And as always, guys, thank you for stopping by the channel, thank you for subscribing and watching the videos. So for today's first Quick Fix video, it's going to be a sequel from the last restoration project, the Nike SB Miss PacMans right here. Since this is a sequel, I'm pretty sure that you guys are able to guess what shoe it is. It's going to be the Nike SB Dunk High PacMan. Let's get it. Alright you guys, so the Nike SB Dunk High PacMan is such a fire shoe, but what is the first problem you see here with this pair? For me, it's going to be that super yellow midsole. We're going to go ahead and fix that. Also, the color on this shoe is not as vibrant as it used to be. They look pretty dull, so we're going to bring back that color as well. I don't know if you guys at home can see how yellow this midsole is, but this is probably the most yellow midsole I've seen in a long time. Let's go ahead and prep these shoes for a whitening. We're going to tape off the upper so that any of the whitening solution doesn't get on the suede. So I do this completely out of habit. I always run my nail along the edge of the midsole so that the tape fully adheres to the uppers and not the midsole. Now we're going to clean off all the dirt and grime off the midsoles using a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, followed with cotton rounds and alcohol so that we get all the chemicals off. We're going to do this in between every single icing session that we do. Now let's go ahead and sauce things up. So with how yellow these midsoles are, it's probably going to take about 4 to 5 sessions to get these pearly white. And for all you guys asking about the saran wrap, we use that so that the solution doesn't dry up. Give this video a thumbs up if that midsole transformation is not already the best thing you've seen today. We're going to go ahead and take out the insoles so that we can clean them later, and then we're going to put shoe trees in so that the shoes keep their form when we're cleaning them. And of course, best in the business, A1 Restorations Cleaner. So the reason why I absolutely love this cleaner is that it deep cleans the suede, but it also helps to bring back the color. Link to purchase is going to be in the description below. ASMR time, guys, let's get it. Now we're going to use our mesh brush and brush every single hour as it dries so that we keep the nap on the suede so that it doesn't dry out. So last step after the shoe has completely dried, we're going to use our Angelus mink oil, and then we're going to condition the suede by massaging it in with a mesh brush. Who else do you guys know that could get suede this buttery again? And that is going to do it for the first episode of Quick Fix. Let's check out the final product. Alright you guys, that's going to do it for the first episode of Quick Fix. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed the faster paced videos. These PacMan dunk highs are looking brand new and they're going to be going back to my guy Marcus in Austin, Texas. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought of the restoration. Like the video, share it with your friends, hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you guys next time. Peace.